Hi friends, I am Riju. Today we are planning to discuss the topic Microsoft Entra Privilege Identity Management is called as PIM. So what is the learning objective? Today we are planning to discussing how to configure the PIM and role assignment just in time and access review and resource auditing. So we will go for what is PIM. PIM is protect your administrative account, and privilege identity management is provide the time-based and approval-based rule activation to mitigate the risk of your excessive, unnecessary or misused access to important resource of your organization. Is commonly give the identity. If example you are using the access rules for your different rules, example help desk administration, privilege administrative rule, global administrative rule, you need to assign this rule for your user. Okay, so privilege identity management will be control to the rules, how to we can assign this rule to the user in the organization. So it's provide the manage and control, monitor, access to important resources of in your organization. And this service support for the Microsoft Entra ID, Azure and Microsoft online service such as Microsoft 365 and Microsoft Intune. So now you understand what is the PIM. So next we will go for what is the licenses requirement. Microsoft Entra P2 license is required for the PIM, Privilege Identity Management. So we will discuss what does it do. Okay, means the privilege identity, what we can do for the privilege identity manager. First is just-in-time access. So what is the just-in-time access means? Administrator can grant temporary access to privilege to the resources, ensure user only have elevated permission when needed for the specific time. The user can, if your organization you have one user, the user will need to reset the passwords for the some particular user. You can give the some just-in-time access. So particular time you can provide this access for the user to reset the password to the organization user. Approval workflow. Also you can provide the workflow for how to we can give the access and who needed to approve for this workflow. PIM support the approval workflow for granting the privilege access, require the multiple user to approve the access to the required by the granted. Example, you will give the access to the one of the user like a global administration or like a help desk administration. But once you need to give this rule, the another user need to approve for the this rule. You can provide the approval workflow. So that is access review. You can PIM allow to administrator to conduct the regular access review and helping identity remove unnecessary or outdated privilege access assignments. Example, you will give one of the user to access review, like example help desk administration. So the user you can review the user continuously. You can review the user. The user will be currently using this rule, or example the current user may be resigned from your company, so you can review the what if the rule you provide for the user, and you can review the user still need to this rule. Okay, if you no need, you can remove that rule. So that is access review. So whatever the rule we will assign, so you can access the review of the rule, who will be accessed and who can access the resource, then you can completely get the review report. Auditing and reporting. PIM provide the detail and auditing logs and report to help the organization more privilege access activity and ensuring compliance and regulation and internal policy. You can audit whatever the workflow is going on. Example, you will give the any access, you can continuously monitoring. So what the user will be doing the process and what they can done, so you can continuously process. That is the auditing and reporting. So we will go for our portal, so you can easily understand what is the privilege and identity management. Now I just reach our portal azure.com. so first you need to click here. So this is the Microsoft privilege identity. If you just type here privilege Microsoft Entra Privilege Identity Manager. If you not see this one, go to your resource, all resources. Then you can search here Privilege Identity Management. Is also coming here, Microsoft Entra Privilege Identity Management. Then you can put in like star or something like star. Then this will be going like this. So just I will click Privilege Identity Management. After that, you can see this is the dashboard of the privilege identity management. So this area my rules, my request, approval request. So who is the user? This user, the rule. My rules means whatever the rule assigned for this user. My request, this is on task. You can click here my rules. You can see my rule is here, active assignment. So you can see here my the rules. So that is the rule. My request means anyone to the, we have request for any accessing, you need to request for any grant permission. It's coming like my request, it will be showing here. And approval request, when the user will, you need to the workflow you add for any user need approval to grant the permission, that will be coming for the approval. Click here approval request to be renew or extend the assignment, or request for the role activation. Next one, review the access. You can review for the access. Currently there are no review. Once I will show you how to this all work. Okay, so here this portion is like a Microsoft Entra rule and Azure resource. Microsoft Entra means directory rules. Azure means related to Azure portal, what is example storage access and what is related to that Azure resource access. This is the privilege identity management. So my audit means whatever the audit history related to me, that is coming for the my audit history. Just click here, you can see the my admin audit request is here. You can see the all the review. So we will just go for manage for the Microsoft Entra rule. So just click this Microsoft Entra rule. You can see here assign eligibility, active your rules, and approve your request and view your request. So we will do all the process here. Microsoft Entra privilege identity is a premium feature that enable you limited standing administrative privilege to the much more. So first we will go for here directory. This is a directory, Microsoft Entra directory rule. If you go for Azure resource, you can go for here. You can see the Azure resource. Currently I don't have the subscription, so I will, if I have the subscription, I will show you the another video. So currently I just go for the directory rule only. Just click the Microsoft Entra directory. Then after that you can see here, you can see your task, my rules, the same like the concept my rule. So here you click your rule already, directory rule here will be coming. Eligibility assignment, if you have any the eligibility, it will be displayed. Active means this is the active rule assigned, and expired assignment also here. Any assignment will be expired also showing here for the expired assignment. So we just go for the rules. Here is the your completed directory rules will be displayed here. You want to give the rule assign for the people, just give it to assign the rule here. Okay, just first I will go for the rule assignment. Then I will just, what is the rule I need, I just click help desk rule. Just click help desk rule. So here you can see, if you needed to assign this rule, just click add assignment. If you needed to description, you can get all the description related to the help desk administration. And you needed to change the rule setting, you can change here the rule setting. So how you can edit this all rule setting, activation, assignment, and send a notification to the member signed eligibility. This is the workflow of the PIM will become activation. So you can see here setting state, activation maximum duration 8 hours, on active require Azure MFA, require authentication activation return. So how to we can edit this one, just click edit. So I currently I will put 8 hours. If you need 7 hours, 5 hours, put the 5 hours. And here on activation requirement, Azure MFA need, just click MFA, Azure MFA need, Microsoft Entra condition access authentication request also need. And here require a justification. If you don't want justification, just click require a justification, require the justification activation, and require for the approval. So who needed to approve your request? So just click here and you can add the member of the here. Currently I add the member here, Rijo Joy. So this is the approval requester member. So after that you needed to just click update. Currently I don't want update because already the Azure MSA if enable, and require justification on action, require the approval and activation, and update. After that update it will be coming. So next we will go for the assignment. So here you can give the assignment. You can allow the permanent eligibility assignment. Otherwise you can give the expire eligibility assignment. Your assignment is like 1 month or 1 year or 6 months or 3 months or whatever the duration gap you can give. So I just go for the 1 month expire eligibility assignment. This is the normal setting of the help desk rule I will give. And allow permanent activation. You can give the permanent activation, otherwise you can give the activation time, activation duration 3 months, 6 months, 1 year and 1 month. Okay, so require the Azure multiplication authentication active assignment and require justification of the active assignment. If need, just click it, and just next we will go for the notification. So here we need to give the notification for the default admin assignment approver, and send the notification when the member are assigned to the eligible this rule. So this rule will be, they will alert for the who will be user you assign the rule, so they will get the email, and send the member assigned to the activation rule. Same like eligibility also get it, and activation also. This is send the notification eligibility member activate this rule, then after activation also they will get the rule. So this one you can, if you need additional email, just type it here and you can give the additional email also. So after that, preview the, you can update from here. Currently I don't want to update because already the same configuration. I just close it this one. So now I will enter the rule settings. You can see the same Azure activation, require justification yes, and approval activate state yes, require ticket information. I will not need to ticket, so I don't activate, that's why. And assignment also allow permanent, no, I will allow because I give the eligibility 1 month and 3 months. And send a notification, this is the common setting is there. We already alter the setting. If you don't want to edit the setting, you can also no need to alter the setting. So after that you go to assignment, you can add the assignment who needed to assign this rule. Just click this one, then here you need to choose the scope type, directory or administrative unit. Just I will go for the directory. Then here you can select your member who want to, you need to assign this one, other group wise or user wise. I just go for the user wise. I just add the Linda Holva, then select. After that next, so here you can, I will show you here assignment type eligible or active. Active means the user no need to do anything, is automatically activate the rule. So eligible means user are the eligible to activate this rule, they will get the email notification, then they need to activate the eligibility. So here you can see maximum allowed the eligible duration 1 month. So we already set up the 1 month duration, so it's coming like the 1 month. So 720 and 89. If you put longer this date, it will be going to error. So that's why we will put only the 1 month eligibility. So 720 to 820, sorry, 10 months 8. See the 1 month duration. So 720 to 86. You can adjust for the gap here, 86 or 7. If I don't want to give more, so you can put here July. I need only for the July 20 start, then I will give it only for the 25. So but the duration maximum we allowed for the 1 month only, but you can define for where to the duration will become instead of the in between the 1 month. Okay, so after that click assign. So what's I will assign the rule, it will be assign the rule. So now you can see here notification Linda Hola eligible for activating the help desk administrating directory rule. Okay, so after that we assign the rule. We just again go to the privilege management, Microsoft Entra rule. So here you can go assignment, you can see here eligibility assignment rules. So after that, once we will go for the Lydia Holva. So just we will go for the Lydia Holva email. Just I already opened that. So here this is the Lydia Holva, the user account. I just open here Outlook Office. So here you can see the time 47. This will be get, she will be get the email notification. Rijo Joy assigned for the help desk active administrator role in the Rijo skill directory. So viewer or activate, you can view or activate the rule. So here you can see user or group Lida Holva role help desk administration resource Rijo skill directory resource lab directory assigned by Rijo eligibility. Assignment start July 22, end will be July 25. So justification, you need to provide the justification. So currently I just go for view and active rule. So here view and active rule will be, it will be going to the portal. So this Lydia get the eligibility assignment, and here you can activate the assignment. Before activation, what we just open our Rejo profile. You can get also email, security email, Microsoft security. Lydia Hollow is assigned helpdesk administrator role for the Rejo skill directory. You also get the notification from the here, and you can click here. You can also view the details. So just I will go for again Lydia profile. So here I just go for activate. So now you can give the custom activation time or validation the request. You can duration, you can adjust the custom activation start, and here you need to give I will just to give the justification reset the user password. Okay, then what, then I will click activate. So once you are activated, it take a little bit time. Then because we needed to give the requirement, we already give the approval request. Once she will activate it, the rule will be going to approve, because we already give it to approval request for the, your request will be pending for the approval. You can see here your request will be pending for the approval, because we give the workflow, the approval request will be go for the Rejo user. So once you go here, you will receive the email from the Rejo. See now the Rejo profile here, Rejo will be receive the Microsoft review Linda Holver request to activate the helpdesk administrator role. So here you can see approval or deny the Linda Holver request to activate by the helpdesk rule. You receive the email from the Microsoft security notification. So here user Linda Holver and resource type directory, rule name helpdesk admin. Reason I will reset the user password. Okay, so just we will go to the portal. You can go for, this is my user Rejo, and here you can go for the pending request. See helpdesk, we will add the pending for the approval. Okay, this is then approval request will be coming here. See now the approval request here coming, helpdesk administration Lydia Holva. So what we will do, we just select here and click the approval. So here we need to give the justification. Hello. Confirm. So now the updated request status is updated. So here you can refresh, your status will be changed, and here go to the assignment. You can see the active assignment. Just to refresh. Yeah, you can see helpdesk is activated. The assign will be activated. Okay, so just we will go for the Lydia profile now. You can go for Lydia profile here. You can see the request for Lydia Holva activate helpdesk admin rule was approved. You receive the email notification Rejo reviewed by the Rejo Joy. Then after that you will get the your helpdesk rule now activated Rejo skill directory. Start from and end date July. Then start and end. Okay, July 24 8 hours. Okay, so just we will go for now the rule here. You can go to the active assignment. Here you can see the helpdesk directory is activated. Okay, so now the rule is activated, user can get the helpdesk administration. So now you understand the workflow, how to we can give the just-in-time activation for the privilege identity management. Also you can, now we will go for our profile again, the portal. So here you can review and remove and update your activation, and also you can extend your activation. You can give the option to here. So now you understand how to we can give the assignment. Here is the alert rule also. Here any alert rule, if you specification rule, because the old you can see here rule don't require the multi-factor authentication activation. This is the alert. If you have the give the security alert will be showing here. Okay, so next we needed to check the access review. So how to we can give the access review from here? Just click for the new. Here you can enter the review name. Example helpdesk admin rule review. Okay, here you can give the same like helpdesk administration rule review, and start date 7/20, frequency one time. You can use weekly, monthly or quarterly and annually. So I just go for the one time demo purpose, and here you need to number of time you can change the, because one time that will coming the change. If you go to monthly, you can never and end the occurrence end by, you can change this one, and duration for the 14 days you can change it. So I just go for the one time, and then end date I will put for the 21. Okay, then all user and the group, who is the scope, this one, all user and group I selected. Inactive user or tenant only, no, this false. And which rule you want to give it to check the privilege, help desk, I just select help desk, then select it, then after that you need to review, who we need to review your rules. So you can select your member, self and management. So select, I will select the reviewer. I just put one of the user, Rijo. So I select the Rijo is the reviewer. Then you can for the advanced upon completion, what is the completion, what if the reviewer don't respond, what you need to give the remove access or approve access or take a recommendation. Just I go for the whatever the rules you need, you just add it, remove access or approve access or take the recommendation. And end of the review, send the notification. At the end of the review you can see, select the user here, the review will be sent to the user. Okay, so just after that you can see here, advanced show recommendation enable, require reason and approval enable, mail notification enable, reminder enable, additional content review also enable, you can type here. So I just go for start. So new access review help desk rule review was added successfully, click here to manage it. So what I will just go for alert, then access review. So now the access review created, but you can see here is not started. So now the status is initializing. You can see here the status is initializing. See now the access help desk is active, so the review request is already active. You can just go to now the email. So just you can see the Microsoft Security action request, review the access the help desk administrator rule by the August 21. So we can go here, hi please review your trusted center. Here you can see, please review the access to the help desk administrator. Rijo Joy, your organization requests that you approve or deny the continuous access to the help desk administrator rule in the Rijo skill tenant. The review period will be 21 August. Microsoft Entra Privilege Identity Manager enable you regularly review the Entra ID rule. So now the who is the approval, receive the email from the security email from the Microsoft Teams. So first we need to go for here. So we need to review the help desk administration rule. So now you can see here the status is changed to active. So just to click the active button, you can see here all the details, progress in the dashboard, access review details. So go here, not reviewed, one decision is pending. So here you can see the reviewer details, result. So here Linda recommendation action need to approve, and you can also click the view audit details. Also you can see the audit details, just to click the audit details, so you can get the all the information regarding to the audit detail of the all the help desk administrator Linda. And you can see here all the related to, you can review all the relation to the Lydia. So just I will close this one also. And reviewer is reviewer, you know already, reviewer Rijo Joy is the primary reviewer. So just I will go for again here the review access. So need to give the approval for this, if you approve or if you can approve, otherwise you need to deny the approval. So just click the review access. So you can see here the help desk admin rule review coming, and rule is help desk administration, and end date 8/21/2024, 32 days remaining one. So just to click this one, you can give the approve or deny the rule membership using the button below. Otherwise you just click here also, you can start review. Just to click this one. Through email also you just click one. Yeah, the same the coming also, you can also from here. So end date also, and here you can not reviewed, just click here, and here also you can see the audit details also. So here just click, you can deny or approved. Okay, then you can click approve or deny. I just go for click approve. So update the review result. After that review is updated, the user will be receive the information in the email. Just click this one. Again we will go for the privilege identity management. Microsoft Entra rule. So we will go for review access. We already, you can see now the remaining is 0, no items, before 1, now is green. Okay, so here you can go for the access review. So here active, helpdesk administration status is active, and also you just click, you can see here the one decision is approved, before is pending, decision pending, the status is approved. Okay, so now you understand how to you review your access review for your access details. For review you can also review the details. If you just click, I will click this. Do you want to stop review? Review will no longer able to give the response. So just click the stop the review, because we already reviewed. So I just go for stop the review. So now just again click the Microsoft Entra. You can go for here assignment. You can see here your all the active assignment also here, Linda Holva and active, and also you can remove from here, and also you can update from here. Just we need to update, and you need to update your assignment. You need to extend your date, you can extend the date, and you need to activate eligible or activate, you can only just whatever the setting you need to configure from here. So resource auditing means just click the resource audit. You need to see the all the resources what you can see add member role is completed, add member request is completed. You can give the audit to your resources. So now you understand what is the Azure privilege identity management, how to we can give the access for the director, how to we can assign the rule of the privilege identity management. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you so much.